Use your hands to practice eyeshadow. This video 6 type of eyeshadow. Let's get started. Six eyeshadow tutorial. Number 1, I want Mona focus on seeing the eyebrow already ready. So now this eyeshadow we first use brown. They will come use dark. Now concealer with flat brush. Now be this. You use concealer. You can use flat brush. Or you feel use eyeshadow base. So eyeshadow base now be the best if you want me the eyeshadow they sharp like this. So I dey sell her in case you want buy eyeshadow base. I dey sell eyeshadow as well. Then you can use eyeliner like this. You see, then you wear your eyelash. That is number 1. Let's go. So as you can see, the eyeshadow is blue. Eyeshadow smoking. Number 2, let's go. So this number 2, yes. So the first one you use brown. After the brown you use purple, light purple. After light purple you use dark purple. Then now you use your eyeshadow base. If you don't have eyeshadow base, you can use concealer. After the eyeshadow base, then you apply little bit of glitter. Then you fix your eyelash. That is it. It's ready. Little bit. Okay, now number 3, let's go. Please, I want me you learn 1 or 2 things from this video. So see this one is for the people that like popping. If you want your eyeshadow to look very popping and glammy and sharping, looking sharping, extra glam. Yes, when they see all the color, we use like more than, you even put stone, use more than 3 color. Yes, this one is for those auntie sister we like loud popping look. Let's go. Okay, number 4. Yes, this number 4, you start with purple. On top of the purple you put pink. Now you can use concealer or you use your eyeshadow base. Okay, put yellow on top. Okay, eyeliner. Okay, yes, please concentrate your eye. Just concentrate your eye. This one is done. Let's go. Number 5. This number 5, then you start with the darker color. You see, you draw your wing. Then you use brown. That up there is brown. Then now at the corner you start with your pink, purple. Sorry, after purple, blue, then lemon. So this eyeshadow as well is good for all these our auntie that like popping eyeshadow. Okay, number 6. This number 6, oh my god, I love it. Just concentrate. Mona concentrate. Now see. First you use brown. After brown you use light orange. Now you use flat brush to cut the crease. See the way to cut the crease, the way you like it. Now yellow. After yellow you climb with blue. Yes, climb with blue. Concentration, please. Then that thing over there is glitter liner. Then you put little bit of glitter blue. Oh my god, as you can see. Now see the way the eyes look so popping. So this one is number 6. So I hope you have learned. You don't learn 1 or 2 things. So under the eye you can smoke it with sharp color. Then you will now fix your eyelash. Then you use your that is just the form of eyelash. Fix your eyelash. Yes, eyeshadow is the beauty. Anytime you have this loud eyeshadow, try and do nude lipstick. I hope you have learned. See you on my next video. Bye bye for now.